Hello guys, today I want to make some unboxing because I buy few new stuff to my camera gear to make better movies, better quality movies. First is gimbal by Feiyu-tech G5 gimbal to have more stabilization in my GoPro camera, and I bought ceramic mic to GoPro and some cover for this mic that cut, and I want to unboxing this with we can start from ceramic G mic. Box, some warranty, mic, look nice, standard cover for wind, okay, this look perfect. And here we have dead cat wind protection for bigger wind. Time from gimbal, Feiyu-tech G5 3-axis handle gimbal. Some information about how we use and what cable we have. We have cable similar information in English, and here I think in China or Japanese. Warranty card, and my cover. This is with cover. what we have here. Here we have screw and cable to charging, and I think here is some place to put, or like here, to charge. Okay. We have a USB cable and some battery. Okay, so I need to read this instruction how to configure it and calibrate, and I will connect with my GoPro, what I am using now, and we will see how difference is without these tools and with these tools.